Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to set up an Instagram shop with Shopify. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. The first thing you need to do is open your Shopify admin and you will get here on this page. Now, we need to link our Instagram shopping to our Shopify account. So, click on Apps on the left side and then on All Recommended Apps in this window. After that, click on Shopify App Store at the bottom of it. Once you're on this page, now click on the search bar and type Instagram. Now, you will see different options. And here, you can find providers offering Instagram shops. These are third-party tools for Instagram shopping. However, the best choice you should consider is Facebook, because when you create a business on Instagram, you manage it through Meta Business Suite. So, let's search for Facebook channels. Now here, you can find various providers that offer Facebook shops. So just click on the Facebook channel to link it to your Shopify account. This way, you are also connecting your Instagram business and shop to Shopify. Now, click on Install on the left side. Then on the Install app page, click on Install at the bottom right side. After that, go to your Shopify and then click on the settings at the bottom left corner. Then, click on the Apps and Sales Channels option at the bottom left. Now, click on Facebook and Instagram and connect it. This is how you can also connect your Meta Business Suite and Instagram shop to Shopify. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.